Notify Me uses a default email address to send your email messages. You can choose to send the emails from your domain to build trust and create a seamless brand experience. To change the domain, I'm going to go over here to Sender Email Domain and click on Edit. Then I will add my own domain. I'm going to enter the email I want the notification to be sent from. Here, I can see instructions on how to confirm this on each domain provider. If you have questions about this, our tech team is always happy to help. Just hit the chat button here, happy to help. Just email to support@notify-me.io and they will guide you through.